This is part 2 of the video Shivabhutiya Kate. In part 1 we had an introduction about what is Panchatantra. Now continuing, let us start the story of Shivabhuti. ಒಂದು ಮಹಾ ಅರಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬಳಕನೆಂಬ ಬೇಡನಿದ್ದನು. Beda means hunter and aranya means forest. So in a huge forest there was a hunter by name Kambalaka. ಅವನನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಹುಲಿ ಅಟ್ಟಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Huli is tiger and attisikondu is chase. So a tiger was chasing him. ಆ ಬೇಡನು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಯದಿಂದ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾಣದೆ ಓಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆಯ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದನು. ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಯ means fear for life and ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾಣದೆ not knowing what to do. ಹಳೆಯ ಬಾವಿ means old well and ಬಿದ್ದನು means fell. So the hunter, for the fear of his life and not knowing what to do, fell into an old well. ಕೋಪದಿಂದ ಕುರುಡಾದ ಆ ಹುಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಅದೇ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು. ಕೋಪದಿಂದ ಕುರುಡು means blinded by anger. The tiger also fell into the same well. ಅದೇ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ on the same way ಚಪಳಕನೆಂಬ ಒಂದು ಕಪಿಯು. Kapi is monkey and the name of the monkey is Chapalaka. So on the same way a monkey by name Chapalaka ಬಾಯಾರಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಬಾವಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಕ್ಕು. So that monkey was thirsty. Bayari means thirsty. And so it wanted to drink some water from the well and it came near the well. ದಡದ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ, so it wanted to get down into the well through the bank of the well. And it needed some support to hang on to. So ಜೋತು ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಪವನ್ನು ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಎಂದು ಭ್ರಮಿಸಿ. ಜೋತು ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದ is hanging. Sarpa means snake, Balli means creeper and Brahmisi means assume. So the monkey assumed or mistook a snake for a creeper and it thought it can take the support of that creeper and get into the well. And finally both the monkey and the snake fell into the well. Hididu havu sahita baviyalli beeluttade, which means the monkey took the support of the snake, assuming that to be a creeper, and then both of them, the snake and the monkey, fall into the well. Ashtaralli, and then, by then, Malarahita Noona Dayanilayana Drishtarthi Tirtha Yatrashrama Vihvala Manasam Pipasa Kulitum Shivabhuti ಎಂಬ ಪಾರ್ವಂ ಬರುತ್ತುಂ. So the meaning of this is explained here. ತೀರ್ಥ ಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟ ದಯಾಮಯನಾದ ಶಿವಭೂತಿ ಎಂಬ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನು ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಅದೇ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾನೆ. So ತೀರ್ಥ ಯಾತ್ರೆ means a pilgrimage or a holy trip. Dayamaya means somebody who's very merciful or compassionate. Brahmana is a Brahmin. Bayari is thirsty. So a Brahmin by name Shivabhuti, who was very compassionate and merciful, was out on a pilgrimage. But he felt thirsty and so he comes to the same well to drink water. ಆ ಬಾವಿಯಿಂದ ನೀರು ಪಡೆಯಲು ಒಂದು ಬಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಲಶಗಿಂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. And since he wanted to get water out of the well, ಪಡೆಯಲು means to get, Balli is creeper and Sanna Kalashagindi means a small pot. Katti is tied. So to get some water out of the well, he ties a small pot to a creeper and lets it inside the well. Neeru tumbida gundiyannu melettuvaga. So, and after the water was filled, he was trying to lift that small pot up. ಆ ಹುಲಿಯು ಹಿಡಿದು ನೇತಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. The tiger was hanging on to that pot. ಕೈಗೆ ಭಾರವಾದರೂ ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಎತ್ತಿದನು. So Shivabhuti felt little heavy on his hands, but very like he put in all his strength and very strongly he tried and lifted the pot out of the well. ಆ ಹುಲಿಯು ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿತು. And the tiger which was hanging to the pot comes out and very politely bows down to Shivabhuti. ಹುಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದನು. Now Shivabhuti was surprised. Ashcharya means surprised. So Shivabhuti was surprised that the tiger was there and questioned the tiger, how did you get into the well? For which ತಾನು ಬಿದ್ದ ಬೇಡನು ಸರ್ಪಗೂ ಕಪಿಯೂ ಬಿದ್ದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಹುಲಿಯು ತಮ್ಮ ಉಪಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಜೀವ ಸಹಿತ ಉಳಿದು ಬಂದೆನು. So now the tiger tells the story of how the hunter, the snake and the monkey, everybody has fallen into the well, and it tells the Brahmin, that is Shivabhuti, that because of your help I am still alive. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಪರ್ವತ ಪಂಕ್ತಿಯ ತಪ್ಪಲಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಗುಹೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So it shows him a far away mountain range and tells him that it is living in a cave which is in one of the valleys of the mountain range. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಾವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದಿತು. So it tells the Brahmin, you come there, I will give you precious things. Amulyavada vastugalu means precious things. Kanike is gift. As a gift, I will give you a lot of precious things. So when please come to the cave there. Neenu for that the reply of Shivabhuti, Neenu helida pranigalannu rakshisi ತೀರ್ಥ ಯಾತ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದನು. So Shivabhuti tells him, first I will save all the animals that are still there in the well, and ತೀರ್ಥ ಯಾತ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿ means I will finish my holy trip or my pilgrimage and then I will come. ಆ ಹುಲಿಯು ಈ ಬೇಡನನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಬೇಡಿ, ಅವನು ನೀಚ. So now the tiger tells Shivabhuti, it actually warns Shivabhuti and tells him, do not ever save the hunter. He is very wicked. Neecha means wicked or cruel. ನೀಚನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ತನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So it says a wicked person, how much ever you try to help him, he is not going to change his wicked nature. And for that there is a shloka which explains that upakaropi neechanam apakaraya kalpate phaya panam bhujanganam kevalam vishavardhanam. So the meaning of this is, ನೀಚನಿಗೆ ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಪಕಾರವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. So if you try to help a wicked person, ನೀಚನಿಗೆ ಉಪಕಾರ means help a wicked person. If you help a wicked person, he is not going to change, and in turn he is only going to harm you. Apakara means harm. He is not going to change. Just because you helped him, he is not going to change his wicked nature, but instead he is only going to harm you. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆಂದೊಡೆ ಹಾವಿಗೆ ಹಾಲೆರೆದಂತೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹುಲಿಯು ಹೊರಟು ಹೋಯಿತು. So it gives a comparison. It says to a snake, how much ever you feed the snake with milk, one day when it bites, it's only going to give you poison. So similarly, a wicked person, how much ever you help him, he is only going to harm you in turn. Then ನಂತರ ಆ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನು ಆ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಸರ್ಪವನ್ನು ಕಪಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. And then finally Shivabhuti takes out the snake and the monkey from the well. ಎರಡು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ, and both of them bow down to Shivabhuti. ಕಪಿಯು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬದುಕುಳಿದೆ. So the monkey tells him, because of your compassion I am alive and I have saved myself. ನಾನು ಮರುಹುಟ್ಟು ಪಡೆದಂತಾಯಿತು. I feel like as though I have had a rebirth. ನಾನು ಬದರಿಕಾಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So the monkey tells, I live in ಬದರಿಕಾಶ್ರಮ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಬಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೀರಿ ಸತ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದಿತು. So the monkey tells, if you can come there beyond my capability and beyond my capacity, I will honor you. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಪವು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡು ಹೊರಟು ಹೋದವು. So the snake also was very thankful and it conveyed its gratitude, and both of them leave from there. ಪೊಲ್ಲಗಡ ತೆಗೆಯಲಪ್ಪೊಡೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಲನ ನೆಂದೆರೆಗೆ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಂಪೇಳ್ದ ತಿಲುಭಯ ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತಮೇ ಪೊಲ್ಲದು ಪೊಲ್ಲದೆ ಪರೋಪಕಾರ ವ್ಯಸನಂ. And now the Shivabhuti is confused what to do, because the tiger had told him never save the hunter. But Shivabhuti is very compassionate, so there's a confusion what to do. ಹುಲಿಯು ಈ ಬೇಡನನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಡಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. So the tiger had told Shivabhuti, warned Shivabhuti, never help the hunter, don't take him out of the well. ಈಗ ಅವನನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯದೇ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತ ತೋರಿದಂತಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So now he is thinking, if I do not help the hunter, it will show that I am biased by nature. ಪರೋಪಕಾರವು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದೇ, ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಯತ್ಪರಾರ್ಥಂ ಶರೀರಂ ಎಂಬ ಸುಭಾಷಿತದಂತೆ ಈ ಬೇಡನನ್ನು ನಾನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟವನಾಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. So he is thinking, if I don't save the hunter, it will show that I am a very biased person. It will also make me feel like as though I am a bad person because I did not save the hunter. So ತನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ, so he thinks, let anything happen to me, let any bad or anything hurtful happen to me ಎಂದು ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲೋಚಿಸಿ ಪರೋಪಕಾರಿಯಾದ ಶಿವಭೂತಿಯು ದುರಾತ್ಮನೆನ್ನದ ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಿರಾತನನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. So Shivabhuti thinks, let anything happen to me, let me be helpful. So the always merciful and compassionate Shivabhuti helps the monster. Kiratana is monster. The monster is the hunter here. So he is like so helpful that he doesn't take the warning of the tiger, and he still goes ahead and helps the hunter. ಕಿರಾತನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಶಿವಭೂತಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಉಳಿಯಿತು, ನಾನು ಪದ್ಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So now the monster, the hunter, he comes out and he bows down to Shivabhuti and tells him, because of you only my life, you have saved my life, and I live in Padmanagara. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೀರಿ ಸತ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಹೊರಟು ಹೋದನು. So he tells him, if you come there beyond my capability or my capacity, I will try to honor you. So this is how Shivabhuti saved all the people, all the animals and the hunter who fell into the well. And now after he finishes his pilgrimage, he goes to meet all of them. And then let us see what happens when he meets the hunter. So this I will do in the next video.